In this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix your connection and latency issues in World of Warcraft. So make sure that you watch this video till the end if you want to know how to fix it. Before we start, I just want to say subscribe to my channel and like this video if it helps, and let's start. So first of all, what you want to do is click on the search button and type CMD, and now right click on command prompt and click on run as administrator. Click on yes, and now type in ipconfig/flush DNS and enter, and it should say successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache. Once you're done, close the CMD, and what you want to do now is right click on the Wi-Fi icon in the bottom right corner and click on open network and internet settings. Now what you want to do is click on change adapter options. Now right click on your Wi-Fi and open up the properties. Now click on Internet Protocol version 4 and click on the properties again. Now what you want to do is click on use the following DNS server addresses and type 8888 as the preferred DNS server and 8844 as the alternate DNS server. Once you're done, click on OK, click on close, and you can now close the network connections and the settings. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my channel and like this video if it helped. Bye.